Ever wondered if that trendy investment app, Spaceship, is actually managing your money or just a fancy interface? It's a question many new investors, and even some experienced ones, might ponder when exploring modern investment platforms. With so many options out there, understanding the core structure of how your money is handled is crucial. Spaceship, an Australian investment platform, has gained considerable popularity for its user-friendly app and focus on where the world is going companies, often leaning into the tech sector. But does this mean they are actively managing your investments, making daily decisions on your behalf? The short answer is yes. For some of their products, Spaceship operates as a managed investment fund. Let's break it down. Spaceship offers several products, and the most prominent are their Spaceship Voyager managed funds and Spaceship Super. When you invest in a Spaceship Voyager portfolio, such as the Spaceship Universe portfolio, Spaceship Earth portfolio, or Spaceship Origin portfolio, you are indeed investing in a professionally managed fund. This means a team of investment professionals at Spaceship makes the decisions about which companies to invest in, based on their stated investment strategies and criteria. For example, the Spaceship Universe portfolio focuses on companies they believe are world-changing, including major tech players like Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, and Apple. You're not buying individual stocks directly. Instead, you're buying units in a fund that holds a diversified basket of these companies. Spaceship Super, their superannuation offering, also operates as a managed fund, with options like GrowthX and Global Index. Here, your superannuation savings are invested and managed by Spaceship's investment team according to the chosen strategy, again, with a significant allocation towards growth assets and often technology-focused companies. Now, while they are managed funds, it's important to differentiate between active and passive management styles. Spaceship's Voyager portfolios offer a mix. The Universe and Earth portfolios are actively managed, meaning Spaceship's team actively selects and adjusts the holdings based on their research and where the world is going philosophy. The Origin portfolio, however, is a passively managed index fund that aims to track the performance of a specific set of companies, like the top 100 Australian and international listed companies. Even with passive funds, there's still a level of management involved in ensuring the fund accurately tracks its intended index and rebalances as needed. So, while the app makes it feel incredibly simple and direct, behind the scenes, your investments in Spaceship's Voyager funds and super options are indeed being professionally managed. They handle the buying, selling, rebalancing, and all the administrative heavy lifting, taking away the need for you to actively manage your own portfolio of individual stocks. This convenience comes with a fee structure, which typically includes a monthly fee and a management fee as a percentage of your assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.